See here, before car not start, and now here you can see great success. This Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Ford Ecosport. This car have a problem, car not start. Here you can see, if I try to start car, see, no crank, not start. That's the problem customer came. So first of all, we check with our diagnosis tool if there is any fault or anything has happened. See, warning light, everything is perfect. Ecosport 1.5 automatic, yes. Diagnosis, auto scan. Engine control module, there is 2 fault, check. Engine starter performance, P06E9, engine starter performance, and total actuator control, total body and engine starter performance. So we already remove starter, okay, we already remove engine starter, check, engine starter is perfect, but when I try to start car, inside this starter wire there is no voltage came. That's the problem, okay. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. So first we remove manifold and fix, and then check here. You can see there is a wiring damage. See, this wire touch with here in body, and I find out here is the problem. This short came. See, 2 wire, this brown and white green, those 2 wire short. So that means somewhere I think a fuse damage. Then I remove this starter fuse. Here is the starter fuse in Ecosport, this one, number 30. So here you can see there is nothing, instruction. This is the starter fuse, this one. Remove this one and check fuse is good or not. You can see here fuse is already damaged, okay. So what we have to do, now we fix it, and now we fix with a good fuse. And then try to start car. See, car start, great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.